Hello, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. So as the title suggests, today I am going to go through and show you a suite tour of the Beach Club level room. So this is going to be a 1-bedroom suite, and I'll make sure that I have the exact title of the suite that we have, and we can go through and show you. So we are in suite 2647. So as you enter the room, this is what it looks like. There is a very nice little hallway that it starts off with. And to the right, it's a very cute, this was closed when we entered, very cute little closet. And on the inside of the closet, you have 2 robes, 2 pairs of slippers. These are super cute. It says Yacht and Beach Club on them. That is definitely going to go home with us. And you have a hair dryer, your safe, and it looks like extra pillows and blankets. So very nice, decently sized closet area. Then as you pan over into the room, you have a little living room area. And of course you have the welcome to the location area, and then on the right you have the bathroom. So starting off with the coffee station, you do actually get a Nespresso, which is very interesting. I have never seen a room come with a Nespresso. And then it looks like a little pantry area with the normal ice box and cups and such. On the bottom, it looks like you do only get the actual beverage cooler, but that's okay because you have access to the club level. In the drawer, it's just a regular drawer and a nice, decently sized little cabinet here. Now, before I go into the main bedroom, I want to show you the bathroom. So, hello, I don't want that. Hello. So very nice, decently sized mirror. It is only 1 sink, so just forewarning. And then you get all of these amenities. So body lotion, mouthwash, a vanity kit, shower cap, bath soap, and even a dental kit. So it comes with a toothbrush and toothpaste to kind of go through with it, some face washes. The shower is very decently sized, and it has a very cute beach themed, of course, shower curtain. And you do have a H2O products inside of your bathroom. So it's actually different than I feel like the other hotels have, but that's pretty cool. And then of course your standard toilet, it has a vanity and your towel set. So then moving on into the living room area, so you do have a full-sized couch. I absolutely love the beach theming location, and this actually pulls down into a bed. I'm not going to do this by myself. I'll have one of either my sister, boyfriend, or Dominic come in and help me pull that down and show you at the end. They are currently out on the balcony because I forced them out to film this video. And then you have your welcome party and a very decently sized little location there. They gave us 4 bottles of water, and it looks like a little card with an envelope and some welcome chocolates. And then you come into the main bedroom, and you once again have another couch set and a very decently sized table. This room is huge, I have to admit. Very cute, once again, sticking with the seashell theme. And you have your, amenities there. It looks like there is 1 side drawer with your standard drawer sets, your Hey Disney, and it looks like this has some outlets for you here. You've got a table lamp, and then you pan around to the room and you have a full king-sized bed. Of course, with the touch of magic, your lovely Mickey Mouse towels. And then once again, a second TV here playing some fun music, and a full drawer set over here. So lots and lots of storage here. So you're good there. And then yet another kind of side table area with the phone here and more outlets here. Now let's go outside. I'm going to show you the massive balcony that we have, and I'll let my people back inside. Okay, so I have my lovely assistant here helping me show you how to bring down. So the whole bed comes down, kind of folds the couch in, so you can't really keep anything, it looks like, on that couch. And you get a lovely second bed with such a cute little picture frame thing, artwork.
Art. It's a work of art.
Work of art. Love the beach theming. So, okay, Steve, how easy was that to bring up and down?
Pretty easy.
Okay. Awesome. So that is the Murphy bed. Okay, so then I want to show you the beautiful balcony we have. So it stretches the entire length of the club. It has four different chairs and 2 different locations. So this is massive compared to the other balconies. You can kind of see some rooms only have single balconies. You have your standard balcony, and this thing is massive. We have a beautiful view of a courtyard, and it overlooks such a pretty location. And let me walk over to the other side, and has a volleyball court, and of course you have your standard beach club, so you can see the boardwalk location. So I wouldn't ask for a more beautiful balcony. So while I sit out here on the balcony, I am going to wrap up the room tour of the Beach Club level suite. If you are interested in seeing the actual club review, please stay tuned. I will be posting a separate video for us to kind of take a look in all of the amenities and my thoughts on, is club level worth it? So far, checking in, loving it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye. Such a weirdo. Okay, you can come out now. What's wrong with you?
This is on his face!